Sweet Rebecca has a low IQ which qualifies her for EC services. She is performing academically on a kindergarten level. Her home life is very poor. Rarely homework or paperwork is returned. Energetic Evie struggles with reading. She is currently 2 levels behind. We have interventions in place which she is receiving extra practice with phonics and spelling. She lives with both her parents and her mom is a college graduate. Angelica is a very fast learner and is qualified for AIG. She is performing above grade level in her reading by 2 levels. She is living with her grandparents who have full custody of her. Isaiah's behavior is hurting his education. We currently have interventions in place which seem to be working. He is 1 reading level below, but has the potential to be AIG if he would complete his work. Ollie is a very quiet and shy little girl. She is a very fast learner and AIG qualified. She is performing above grade level in both reading and math. Taylor is a very hard worker and tries her best. She receives occupational therapy for her fine motor skills in writing. She is below reading level by 2 levels, but she receives positive parent support at home. Marcos is academically on level. He receives ELL services. At home, there is no English used. All conferences require an interpreter, and parent letters need to be translated into Spanish. Salem is very involved with class discussions and loves to answer all the questions. She is a fast learner and AIG qualified. She has asthma, which requires her to keep an inhaler at school when needed. Ashley Bryant is performing academically right where she needs to be. Her dad passed away when she was in kindergarten. Some days are very emotional for her. She lives with her mom, which is a college graduate. Jacqueline is a smart girl, which is performing on grade level. She receives ELL services and her parents are bilingual. Her Juan receives both ELL and speech services. He wears hearing aids. All teachers working with Juan are required to wear a wireless transmitter to help with his hearing. He is performing 1 grade level below. Mary Jane is performing academically on level. She loves and excels in math. She lives with her grandparents who have full custody of her. Mary Jane's parents cannot have any contact with her. Jacob is such a sports lover. He receives speech services. Homework and signed papers are rarely returned due to most of his evenings are spent competing in sports. Colby is very smart and performs on grade level. Both of his parents are college graduates. He has some behavior problems when he is around other boys. Rudy brightens our class by his humor. He is performing on grade level. His dad is a college graduate. Rudy also lives out of district. Bo is a unique little boy who has been diagnosed with Asperger's syndrome. He receives EC and occupational therapy services. In addition, he takes medicine daily at school. Thomas is performing on grade level. He has asthma and a severe peanut allergy. He has an EpiPen and inhaler which remains at school. Ashley Miles is struggling in all areas of academics. She has an RTI folder started where she is on Tier 2. Her excessive tardies and absences are hurting her education. Canning Elementary is her 3rd school this year.